Damn. Say goodbye, eBay lip. Good morning, fam. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. So today this video is brought to you by Extreme Online Stores, who a couple weeks ago officially became one of my aero sponsors. And I actually have something of theirs from a while ago. I'm sorry for the appearance of my car. I just got it back from the tuner from like 3 months, so it's a little bit dirty, but look at these beautiful rain guards. Really super sleek. I'll be doing a video on that to come. I've had the rain guards for a while and they work really well. Again, thank you, Eric at Extreme Online Store, for sending me this care package. Obviously you guys saw from the intro. Look at this beautiful lip right here. It's their new CS style 3K twill weave carbon fiber lip splitter type part right here. Look at this beautiful part. Dang, this is so beautiful. I've had this other lip on my car for a long time. Guys, you guys are no stranger to that. It's one of those eBay lips, you know what I mean? I got that thing back in like 2017, so I guess it was time for a new upgrade. So guys, what you get with this is obviously the lip, of course. This is the CS style, as I said, for the 15 and up WRX STI. Comes with specific mounting points, or these holes pre-drilled. Okay, gives you your hardware, 3M tape in case you want to, obviously you're going to have to mate it up to your stock bumper. Okay, now for folks who just have the stock bumper, this is going to be really easy, where you can just have somebody help you put it up against the bumper. You can use some tape to hold it up, or you can use some of the 3M tape to hold it up against your stock bumper. On the other hand, I have this eBay lip right here. This thing has seen better days, and obviously I have a splitter. So now I actually have to take my bumper off to get this stuff off. Okay, if you don't know how to take your bumper off, I'll put something up on the right hand side so you can click on it, but it's very easy. It's 6 screws up here, okay, and a couple pop clips. There's a pop clip on the side right here. On each side, you're gonna have one pop clip right here. It literally looks like this. It looks like this right here, and it sits in here. Now, what happens is you take a pry tool or a Phillips head, and you push the center. See how the center is recessed now? Once you push it in, it releases the clip, and once you take the clip out, then you could pull the bumper away. Underneath, there are 9 pop clips that you have to additionally take out, and then you'll be able to take off the bumper. Once you release all the bolts and pop clips from up top, this sleeve up here, this part up here, that obviously comes off, and now we can pull this bumper off. Okay? All right, guys, freaking 30 minutes later, finally got all the hardware off. The lip is in the garage. I put it in a safe place. Now the box, guys, that he ships you the stuff in, please use the box to put your new lip on, as well as you could fit all the templates, meaning like you could size everything up right there and you won't scratch anything on the ground. So just use the, you can open up the box, use it as some cushion, as you can see me doing right here. So all I did right now, for now, I wanted to see how well the fitment was, and it's pretty spot on. Pretty spot on. I love how it looks to the front. It contours really nice with the curvature of the bumper. I like it. So now, all I gotta do, I'm gonna put some tape on it. I'm gonna put some tape, so I'll put some tape from right here to right here. And what that's going to help me do is to make sure it stays aligned. So now when I flip the bumper up, I could start drilling or mounting the screws. So to have, without using 3M tape. Now you can use the 3M tape as well to hold it in place. I might do it, I don't know. I'm usually good doing it without it. But what you can do is you could take the 3M tape and apply it to certain surfaces to hold it together instead of using tape. I have frog tape, so it's not a big deal. All right guys, I want to show you something real quick. I ran 2 screws in here, one here and one on the other side. The best thing to do is get a helper. I have my daughter helping me real quick. So you make sure this side is flush. Let me flip it over real quick. And I'll show you, I'll explain why. So you have to you could turn this all the way over where it's resting over here. Just don't press on it before it cracks, okay? So the easiest thing to do, you turn it all the way over, okay? Have somebody help you. Make sure you line this up nice and level right here, and then use one of the pre-drilled holes, put a screw in. Then you go on the other side, same thing. Make sure it's nice and even, make sure it's nice and flush, put a screw in, and now look how it looks on the outside right here. Freaking amazing. Looks freaking dope. So now all you got to do now is flip it up. Once you have your screws mounted, flip it up, put the rest of the screws in, and you're done. So this is actually pretty easy. A helping hand would be a ton easier, okay? So an easy way to do it, if you're by yourself, flip the bumper all the way over, okay? Balance it. See, mine is a little bit hard to balance because I have all this aero and stuff like that. That's why the box comes in handy, so you don't scratch your stuff up. Or you can use your grass. So you flip it over all the way. Don't press on it where the grill is flexing. And these screws are easy to run. Get yourself a driver or something like that. Or you can use your hands, either way. Just make sure the ends are flush. Now, what you don't want to do, as I said, you don't want to flip the bumper like this, how I had it before. I'll show you. You do not want to flip it like this and try to mount the screws, because now you have the piece flexing and you might not get a good fit. Once you turn it all the way over, like this portion right here is touching the ground, and you put your screws in, now you can actually put the rest of the screws in. So let me do that real quick. Damn, look how dope that shit looks. Now guys, remember, this is carbon fiber. When you put the holes in, please try not to over torque the screws. Now, I will tell you this. The reason why I use the screws is because, remember, I'm sandwiching, my splitter is gonna have to go underneath this next. So I don't need to worry about the screws, because now my split is gonna be reinforcing this. I would urge you, if you're running this lip by itself, use the 3M tape, okay? Use the 3M tape before, like lay the 3M tape on the contact portions in between the lip and the bumper, and then use the screws. That's one option. The other option is, if you're running this lip by itself, get bolts and nuts for just safety, just for your own peace of mind, okay? And that's really it. Let me put on my splitter and mount this bumper up, and let's see how it looks. All right, fam, the install is complete. Look at that. It actually took me more time to put my splitter back on than actually doing this. Also, guys, just remember, I'm gonna show you real quick, when you drill the holes, when you drill the holes and you're putting your bumper back in, remember, those screws point up. So when you're putting your bumper back on, make sure you bend this to make sure it comes under this plastic piece and the screw is not hitting it and stopping you from putting on the bumper, okay? So just remember that. Or you can just, what you can do is just cut the screws, because what I'm going to do is after I'm finished filming this, I'm going to have to take this bumper back off anyway, because I have some of my electronics to put back on. Okay, so just remember that. See the screw over there? Just remember, you got to pull down on this plastic piece so it can tuck under this plastic right here. That's what you want. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, it should look so fly. Looks beautiful, man. Such a nice piece, and it's way more aggressive. It looks so nice. The lip I had before definitely can't compare to this. Eric, thank you so much. Guys, definitely check out Extreme Online Store. They got side skirts, carbon fiber lips, you name it, man. They got a lot of cool stuff. And as I told you before, I have rain guards from them. I'll definitely be doing an install on that soon. This thing feels so smooth. I can't even help looking at this thing. It's so beautiful. But anyway, guys, again, like, subscribe, comment. Definitely check out Extreme Online Store. Check them out on Instagram, Facebook, or www.extremeonlinestore.com and see what they got. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.